Okay, I'm now inside of YouTube Studio, and all you need to do is when you sign in, just click on YouTube Studio, and you'll come to this part of the site right here. You now want to click on Content, and now you'll see all the videos. And again, the only thing we're going to do is we're just going to change out one thumbnail for another. And you can do this inside of YouTube very quickly, easily, and fast, but there's only one way to go in there and do it. So here we go. I'm going to come down here to the one I'm going to change out. Now, here's the one I'm at. It's the home remedy for 1 clove a day for lowering down your blood pressure and cholesterol. Now I'm going to come down and you're going to see the different options that you have. But here's the pencil. You left click on it. And now you're going to see the title, the description, and come over here, bring your mouse over here to the right, and you see the bar. Scroll down. Keep scrolling. Now you see thumbnail. Now, come over here. Don't click on anything. Just move your mouse over it, over the picture, and now come up to the three dots. You see option appear. Left click. Now, again, all we're going to do is just change out one video for another. That is one thumbnail. So click on change. Now you want to go into the folder that you have it in. And it's inside my pictures. So I'm going to scroll down here to find it. Work my way up to it. Right here we go. Thumbnail for changing out one thumbnail for another. Left click, click open. And now you see it's doing its magic. And that's it. Of course, you left click on save. And it's done. That's the only way you do it. That concludes it.